Hi everyone, it's Nadine. I wanted to send out a short video explaining the Connected Educator Selfie Challenge, which actually kicked off the 1st of January. If you're not sure what it is, we're trying to get you guys out there to explore Twitter to see the positive benefits of growing your personal learning network. And we figured that a fun way to do that was to have this Connected Educator Selfie Challenge in the form of a bingo. And we know that it would really help if we had prizes. So we were able to get an Amazon Echo to be a prize. We've got some Google Cardboards, Chick-fil-A, Starbucks, and Target gift cards, and even some other prizes as well to encourage you to get out there and start tweeting. So I want to go over the bingo board in case you aren't understanding exactly how this works. So in the email, we had a link to the Connected Educator Selfie Challenge bingo, and this is the actual bingo board. So what you're supposed to do is to snap a selfie of yourself doing one of these items. So it could be you trying to use a new tech tool and share how it went. I would say the easiest one to get started with is posting something fun that you did over winter break. All you're going to do is you are going to post that onto Twitter, and you need to use the hashtag #flashforward. That's what we're asking everybody to do. So that way when we get on Twitter and we type in that hashtag, we're able to find your pictures. Now, as you complete something on here, what I would tell you to do is to print out this bingo board, and then let's say you do the something fun you did over winter break. So then when you print it off, then you're just going to put an X over this box. So that's the beginning of your bingo. Now, you can complete a bingo any different way, but once you have completed your bingo, down here at the bottom, you're going to go to this link that it has pictured here. And when I click on that link, it's going to take you guys to a site that says drop it to me. Now what's nice about this is that it's going to keep it nice and organized for us. This isn't going to go to like your principal or anyone else. It's going to go straight to Mark and I, and we're going to be the ones that are going to be keeping track of who has participated in the Twitter challenge. Now on here it says enter the upload password. So for you to be able to upload, you're going to type in Twitter. We've just made it easy, and that's our password. And once we do that, you can either drag a file here or you can select a file to upload. So quite simply, all you're going to do is take a photograph of your bingo board, and then that becomes a JPEG or an image. And then when you hit select to upload, it can actually get it from the desktop of your computer. You can get it from your Google Drive account. And when you send that to us, it automatically goes into a Twitter challenge folder that Mark and I can see. Okay? Now, for those of you that are not that familiar with Twitter, I also have in the email a link to a web page on how to get started. So if you're reading this and you're like, okay, I want to do this, but I don't even understand how to get on Twitter, I've got all kinds of short videos that are within this page on FT Tech Tips. It's telling you what the different terms mean. If you read the article that I have on the side, it has all of that. There's also videos that explain how you are to tweet. You'll hear people talk about a Twitter chat, and it can explain that to you as well. Okay? Also, there's some encouragement out there for those of you that already know how to use Twitter. You can encourage somebody else to sign up for Twitter and take a selfie of you doing that, and that can be another section of your bingo board. So again, as I said, we wanted to have some incentive with this, so we have those prizes listed there. And also notice that it says the building in the district that has the highest participation is also going to win a prize. Now we're not going to reveal what that is until we get closer to the end, but you have until the end of February to complete this challenge. Now notice on there, to get the Amazon Echo, then you've got to be a top tweeter, which means that you can actually complete a bingo board And then if you want to print it out again and complete another bingo because you really want to try to get that Amazon Echo, you can definitely do that. We want to encourage people to do this as much as possible. Okay, I also have on here a nice infographic from Chrissy Van Osdale where she is explaining kind of like how Twitter is similar to going down the cereal aisle. So she has an analogy there. So you guys can take a look at that as well. I do want to highlight right here, Laura Heston, who is over at Middle School West, was our very first tweeter. I just checked on the hashtag flash forward, and she is the first person to participate in the challenge. And so Mark is heading over to West this afternoon, and Laura, you will be receiving a prize. So get out there, guys, start tweeting, and we're going to be checking the hashtag. Mark and I will be participating as well, obviously not for prizes, but we're going to be trying to encourage you guys, and we want to see what schools can participate quite a bit. All right, email me or Mark if you have any questions. All right, everybody, happy tweeting.